Alright, there's a day and time on my 445. Anyways, we are here at Publix at Lake Juliana in Auburndale, Florida. And we're going to ride the Schindler elevator right here. And I believe this is a Schindler 3100 elevator. Down to 1. We'll get our cabbie going down. It's a very basic, modern looking elevator. There's our friend with security. Here are 1. These are your FIGS buttons, certificates, boarding care, capacity is 2,500, and there is where you check out. Back up to 2. And here we're back at 2. Not the most exciting elevator, but it runs nice. Anyways, there it goes, and that'll be it.